I am in the beautiful Okanagan in Kelowna, where it is 1,000 degrees Celsius on an overcast smoky day. I'm with Stephanie from modern day Wonder Woman. I'm just kidding. Wanderlust? What is it again?
Wonderland.
Wonderland. And what caught my eye about this incredible gal is through Alligga's series of getting to know up-and-coming women and people involved in social media, you struck me as somebody who is so real in what you do.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
I loved that you have to drink alcohol at times to survive parenting, because that is kind of what has to happen when you're a new mom. How old are your kids?
I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, so busy, always running around.
That's the, she's young, so she's fine. Don't feel too sorry for her, but it's true. It's like that's the age where you are, you're on call to them.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, it's crazy. It's exhausting, but it's so much fun.
Sure it is.
But it is. It can be exhausting.
And you hear this all the time. Enjoy it while you can, but like mine are 13 and 14, and so enjoy it while you can, because I look back at 3 and 1, and those were the times that were so fun, and simple, and they couldn't talk back to you as much as they do at 13 and 14. So because we're in the Okanagan, you wanted to do a little surprise cocktail for me. What were you thinking of throwing together?
Yes, I was definitely thinking of something with peaches,
Yes.
because they're ripe and they're beautiful right now,
So
and
good
they're
up here.
juicy and they're perfect.
Yes.
So let's try a cocktail today.
Okay, do I get to make it with you?
Of course. You have your own little shaker right here.
Voila. Okay.
Okay, so first thing first, you need beautiful Okanagan peaches.
Yes.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a few of these up into chunks.
And I have to say, when I leave the Okanagan, I go home with 2 or 3 crates of maybe 100 peaches, and then I go home and I can them, about 2 days worth of canning. They are the most amazing, delicious at this time of year.
It's my absolute favorite
Right?
thing about the Okanagan
Yeah.
right now is the fresh fruit.
Love it.
So nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop a few of these peaches
Okay.
into the shakers.
Got it. I'll lift my fingers.
I know, they're so good. And then you take the muddler, so I'll let you do that
Okay.
first, and you just
I'm a professional muddler, just so we're aware of
Yeah.
that this
Get
time of
the
year.
Nice juice in there.
So tell me a little bit as you're making this.
Okay.
Social media, how did you sort of get on this kick of being an influencer on Instagram?
Well, I think a lot of people start out with their own accounts, mom accounts, trying to capture all those beautiful moments with their kids. And I found that it just wasn't realistic.
Sure.
Lots of
I mean, those awesome, beautiful, perfect shots where you're like,
It's like
she
that
looks
all
so
the
good in the morning.
time.
Yeah, I know.
With the
Okay,
nice
wrong.
hair
Yeah.
and the makeup done, and
Right.
it just wasn't realistic.
No, it's not.
And I think some moms can get a complex from that type of thing.
Sure.
So I figured, why not make light of all the crazy parts of
Mm-hmm.
parenting, because it's a lot funner to do that.
You say, that resonates with me, you say about how it could give a mama complex. I'm looking at my daughter right now as a 13-year-old, and she's constantly on herself for how her pictures don't look the way she wants them to, or she's not skinny enough, or she doesn't have very nice eyebrows. And I think that social media is cruel to these young teen girls.
Yeah, I think it goes with any age right now, because social media is hitting every age.
Sure.
And even I'm finding with the mom niche right now, especially because that's what I'm in right now,
Yeah.
it's all about being the perfect mom with the perfect kids, and you have life together.
I don't have perfect kids, that's for sure.
I don't think anyone
no,
does, and I
no.
think that's the whole thing, is we need to just realize life isn't perfect, and it's crazy, but it's so fantastic. So why not embrace that
Do you want to
instead?
hear the good news?
What?
When you turn 50, you don't care anymore. You don't, And but
Yeah.
I think that it's true when you're a young mom, you feel this pressure of being the best that you can be. And I remember those feelings. I'm sure I still go through them now, but as you get older, you
Yeah.
start caring less.
Exactly.
For sure.
So I really like taking my feed and using it as a way to make a community of moms come together, embrace motherhood, realize it's crazy, it's hilarious, it's fantastic. There's good times, there's bad times, but we're all in it together,
Sure.
right?
My
So-
13-year-old was looking at her feed the other day, and there was some really cute ones where my daughter was like, "Oh my, that's kind of funny, Mom." I go, "See, even for a 13-year-old, what you had posted, and we'll post some of those online right for you right now on the show. You're funny."
Thank you.
So clearly you're a marketing person as well.
Yes, I do have a marketing background. However, when I first started in marketing,
Yeah.
they didn't have social media.
Yeah.
It wasn't a thing back then.
Oh, so you're not that young. No, I'm just kidding.
I know, no, I'm
just
aging
kidding,
myself. It's
I know.
horrible.
I'm just kidding. But it's true. I mean, literally like 18 years ago, there really wasn't 15, whatever, how many years there was? No, 12.
Five.
Sorry, oh, 5. See, I just aged myself. Oh, I thought you were talking about when the internet started. No, just kidding.
when I finally graduated from school, it was only 5 years ago, and
Yeah.
they said, don't use social media, don't use Facebook, don't use Instagram, don't use Twitter, don't use that for marketing.
Wow.
So
Right?
now that I'm getting back into the job force, I'm throwing out a resume here and there, and they see social or marketing,
Yeah.
they think I know a lot about social media, and I didn't.
Yeah.
Because I guess I'm old now.
Yeah.
And so I figured what a great way to start learning is put out your own stuff, start blogging, start Instagramming so that your degree is a little bit more.
Sure.
Yeah.
Smart.
So,
You're smart.
and
it's
then
funny.
one
You're
thing
good.
led to another,
You're
and
good
here
at
we are.
it. Yeah, you're good at it. Now
you.
back to this cocktail.
Yes.
I'm sweating in this Okanagan heat. It's only 38 degrees out today, but
Okay, so we'll cool you down really fast.
Okay.
then. So we have our fresh peaches.
Yes.
And then we're just gonna do a splash of this rosemary flaxseed oil.
Nice.
It's delicious, and it'll add just a hint of rosemary
I'll let you
into
just do it.
Okay.
you're younger than me. That's the rage right now in the States is different flavored oils in your bartender drinks. So cool.
Yeah.
Rosemary, who knew?
And plus, everyone has some oils
Yeah.
just hanging around their house. So this is a nice way to add a little bit of flavor into
Yeah.
your martinis.
Awesome.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna add the gin.
Good.
Yes. So we're just gonna free pour that
Okay.
because it depends on how your day's going. So you never know, right?
Mine's going really well, so
Okay.
you don't have to be too, you don't have to give me
you go.
too much. So far, so good.
Perfect. And then adding some ice.
Okay.
Wanna
Thank
do it?
you. Yeah,
Okay. It might be
thanks.
stuck together from how hot it is out here.
Thank you. Put 3 in there. Perfect.
And then put the lid on
Okay.
and shake this bad boy up.
Okay.
Yeah. Ready?
I am.
Okay, hold on tight or it's
Okay.
gonna explode. There you go. Okay.
Okay. I think there's a storm
you
of
go.
brewing.
I
Do you
hope
see that?
so, because it is hot.
That's
so.
actually a little bit kind of exciting. Okay.
Okay, so because there's peach in it,
Yes.
it might be easier if you take the whole lid off and kind
Got
of
it. Oh, got it.
have it
Okay.
like
oh,
that.
that's like professionals do.
Yes.
Okay, I can do this.
You're a professional now.
I can see that I am. Who knew? Oh, maybe not, but good enough.
You know what? If you get some chunks in there, it's delicious anyways.
Okay, that's what I did.
And then we're just gonna top it up with a a bit of
How
tonic.
come I have way more gin in mine than? Hey, wait a second.
I think
What's
you're
going on
having
here?
more than I am.
What's going on here?
So top that with some tonic,
Good. It smells amazing.
and you're good to go.
So do you want to go to your? You said you have a nice pool.
I do. I have a great pool, so let's go talk over there.
Sounds good. Okay.